So in this tutorial I'm going to apply for the bg.ideal apartments. So the links I'm going to paste into the description or to the comment box. You just need to copy it from and paste it here, something like this, and hit enter. The moment you are going to enter it, you can translate into the English if you want, and once you are going to scroll down, this form is going to be visible for you. So for example, I'm going to fill out this form. It's a very simple form. You need to fill this. Again, phone number here and email here. Afterwards, you need to add like what is the maximum rent you can cover. So for example, from 1 to 700 based on the availability, based on the budget you have. Room number by default 1. This size is also very fine, and VBS I'm not applicable on the VBS, and you also need to scroll down. And right now I don't have a very specific kind of preference, so I'm going to select the maximum apartment locations, and simply you need to click on the send button.